Can you do it? Do you want your dolphin? Here you go. You can have it. Here you go. Here you go. Okay, you can hold it. Can you squeeze it? Here you go. You squeak it. Yeah, you can squeak it. Can you do it again?